Cascina House, Italy. Jonathan Tuckey Design has restored a historic 19th century farmstead in the Piemonte region of northern Italy, transforming the sprawling hillside ensemble into a tactile, sunlit home and create studio for a prominent fashion designer and naturalist. The brief presented a simple desire to rediscover the property's agrarian soul and establish a connections to the beautiful surrounding landscape. Specialist in the use of exciting buildings, Jonathan Turkin Design peeled back layers of modern interventions from 1990s renovations to restore the building's whimsical character and upgrade its thermal envelope with the additions of new sustainable system. Cascina comprises three original stone volumes, a two-story farmhouse, a large barn with high loft, and a connections enclosed bridge on the first floor. The rural property previously featured a small window, resulting in a very dark interior with little relationship to the outdoor. Jonathan Turkey Design reorientated the plan by relocating social space and the kitchen to the southeast, a vantage that enjoys the best view across the rolling countryside, making for a peaceful morning coffee experience. Central to the client's brief, by opening new apparatus and enlarging exciting windows, the clients now enjoy framed vistas from within the home, appreciating softly shifting light throughout the day. An impactful entrance hall welcomes occupants by tuning the exciting staircase to the first floor by 90 degrees and raising the first floor level. Jonathan Turkin Design has installed a generous overhead volume and unlocked organic circulations between the ground and first floor. This elegance and simple adjustment establish a feeling of quiet luxury embodied in the fabric and spatial layout of Cascina. Guest steps down into the lowered ground floor, which branches north to a new home spa and a sauna set under original vaulted brick ceiling, or south to a living space, dining room and quiet kitchen with a fresco access. Upstairs, three bedrooms with suite bathrooms are positioned to the south and east of the plan to capture far-reaching view. The main bedroom enjoys walk-sought wardrobes and access to a timber and steel balcony spanning the length of the suite. As in each of the bedroom, a distinguishing palette of timber and stone feature in the ensuite bedrooms. Details including milk white tiles, circular mirrors, and brass floor lamps celebrate exterior hues that are carried through the interior, offering a polished accompaniment to the carved solid marble basins of casino bathrooms. Careful not to compromise the character of the property with modern balustrading. A traditional brick screen glossia camouflages the bridge space between the former barn and the farmhouse. Set behind the brick breeze screening in a passage that wends into way to the upper floor high loft, a height-filled studio with vista overlooking three tops and the Alps. Jonathan Turkin Design has preserved the original trussed roof structure, which featured a rich patio following an estimated 200 years of function. To upgrade the thermal performance of Cascina, Jonathan Turkin Design installed a new floating roof over the original beams, which remain in suit. The new roof is highly insulated, clad in sheets of local Chestern timber that gently differs light through the studio, drawing in through new gable and windows. Beyond Cascina newly improved thermal envelope, a ground source heat pump provides a renewable energy source of warmth harnessed by a double glazing and improved installations thought. Indicative of Jonathan Turkey's approach to a craft and highly contextual material use, space so the ground floor interior are defined by method cocopisto flooring, an ancient technique developed by the Romans. Cocopisto is composed of lime and sand intersposed with other crushed fragments. In this case, crushed fragments of the exciting terracotta roof tiles, and results in a solid peppered floor finish that beans out to now. Warm, natural texture of Louisiana stone, local chestnut timber, lime, plaster, and brick also feature sought out, according to Cascina in this place. Cascina's entire exterior facade is characterized by lime washed stone walls, appearing both refined and rustic sought out. The seasoned no changes. A sense of solidity is manifested from this detail, as if the house were intentionally hidden from its surrounding mountain landscape, further enhanced on the descent to the home's main entrance, framed by bespoke timber shutters, concrete lintels, and iron latchwork.